Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now you have to copy your link. Now click back and click here, and now go to settings. Now click on search engine and here choose custom, and here you have to name your search engine. I will name it yep. And now you have to paste your URL here, and now you have to replace the word test with %s. And now you can save. And as you can see, now I here have yep.com engine. And now I can go back and let's check if this works. And now, as you can see, my internet browser is using yep engine for searching. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.